ચાલો આગળના લેક્ચરમાં આપણે જે પણ સ્ટાર્ટિંગની જર્નલ એન્ટ્રીઝ હતી એ આપણે ચેક કરી લીધી અને ડિવિડન્ડને રિલેટેડ જે પણ એક્સપ્લેનેશન હતું એ પણ તમને આપી દીધું. હવે નેક્સ્ટ આપણે સમ છે એ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાનો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ તો સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે શું બનાવી નાખશું? સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શોવિંગ ચેન્જીસ ઇન વર્કિંગ કેપિટલ. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શોવિંગ ચેન્જીસ ઇન વર્કિંગ કેપિટલ. વર્કિંગ કેપિટલ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ વોટ? તો તમે કહેશો સર કરંટ એસેટ્સ માઇનસ કરંટ liabilities. So we have to find out from balance sheet which are current assets and which are current liabilities. We are starting with current assets. First account provided in the balance sheet asset side, building. It is not a current asset, it's fixed asset. Machinery and investments are also not considered as current assets. Stock, debtors, cash at bank and prepaid expenses. These four accounts are considered as current assets. So we are writing it. Stock 4 lakh and 4,70,000. That is increase of rupees 70,000. So we will write it down in increase column. Then after debtors 6,70,000 and 5,30,000. There is decrease. How much amount? 6,70,000 minus 5,30,000 means 1,40,000. There is decrease. 1,40,000. Then after cash and bank rupees 2,20,000 and 3,30,000. Increase of rupees 1,10,000. Then after prepaid expenses rupees 20,000 and 10,000. Decrease of 10,000 rupees. Okay, we will write it down in decrease column. Then after total of current asset will be marked as A. Then after current liabilities first of all we will have to analyze liability side of balance sheet. Share capital, it is not a current liability. Debentures, profit and loss account, general reserve are not current liabilities. Creditors will be considered as current liabilities, and provision for taxation we have prepared separate ledger for that. Okay, current liabilities 5,90,000 and 6,90,000. Creditors 5,90,000 and 6,90,000. We can easily justify that 1 lakh rupees increase, but we will not write it down in increase column but in decrease column, because it will have opposite effect from current assets. Okay, then after total of current liability will be marked as B. Net working capital is equal to A minus B. Okay, 5,90,000 and 6,90,000. We will make total of current assets 4 lakh plus 6,70,000, 2,20,000 plus 20,000 means 13,10,000 rupees. Then after next current year 2017, 4,70,000 plus 5,30,000 plus 3,30,000 and 10,000, 13,40,000 rupees. Okay, then after we will make subtraction from current asset minus current liabilities. 13,40,000 minus 6,90,000 means 6,50,000, and 13,10,000 minus 5,90,000, 7,20,000. From these figures, we can easily conclude that there is decrease in working capital. We'll write it down, decrease in working capital. How much amount? 7,20,000 minus 6,50,000 means 70,000 rupees decrease. Okay? Total will be 7,20,000, 7,20,000. Okay? 1,40,000 plus 10,000 plus 1 lakh rupees, 2,50,000 total. Here 2,50,000. Okay, we have completed statement showing changes in working capital. Okay, it will be shown in sources of fund side. Why? Because there is decrease in working capital, and when there is decrease in working capital, then it will not, the fund will not be utilized in the business, so there will be noted down under the column sources of funds. Decrease in working capital. How much amount? 70,000 rupees. Okay. Okay. Then after we will prepare our ledgers, and first of all we will discuss additional information. First, taxation paid during the year amounting to rupees 1,40,000, and for that purpose we have discussed journal entry. Okay. In journal entry we have discussed that there will be journal entry like following: provision for taxation account debit to cash or bank account 1,40,000, to cash or bank account 1,40,000. Second effect will be on application of fund side, because there is payment of taxation. We will write it down: tax paid 1,40,000. Okay. Then after, next, depreciation charge during the year on machinery rupees 50,000. Journal entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery account by depreciation. How much amount? 50,000. And next effect will be given on debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Depreciation on machinery 50,000 rupees. Okay. Then after, machinery with book value of rupees 1 lakh was sold for rupees 75,000. So journal entry will be cash or bank account debit 75,000. Loss on sale of machinery 25,000 to machinery account by cash or bank 75,000 by loss on sale 25,000. Effect of loss will be given on debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Loss on sale of machinery rupees 25,000. When we are selling our machinery, we will receive some money, and when we are receiving some money, then it will be shown under the head sources of fund. Then sale of machinery. How much amount? 75,000. Okay. Next, interim dividend of rupees 40,000 has been paid. When adjustment is given about dividend, then you will have two effects. First, debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, And second, fund flow statement, application of fund side. Okay, we will write it down to dividend 40,000. Second effect will be given on application of fund side, dividend paid. How much amount? 40,000. Okay, adjustments are over. We will make analysis of balance sheet in next step. Okay, we will considering the liability side. First of all, share capital. In previous year it is 12 lakh and in 2017 next year it is 15 lakh, means there is increase of share capital rupees 3 lakh, and when there is increase in share capital, then it will have effect on sources of fund side. Okay, we will write it down, increase in share capital. How much amount? 3 lakh rupees. Next, 14% debentures. In 2016 it is 6 lakh and in 2007 it is 4 lakh. Then there is decrease, and when there is decrease, it shows that debentures are repaid and amount of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, it will have effect on application of fund side, repayment of debenture. How much amount? 2 lakh rupees. Okay, next, P&L account, balance is given in P&L adjustment account, so no requirement of any effect. Next, general reserve rupees 3 lakh and in 2017 it is 3 lakh 50,000, means there is provision for general reserve, and provision for general reserve will have effect on debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. You write it down on debit side to general reserve, and amount will be rupees 50,000. Okay, it will have only single effect. Okay, adjustments will have two effects. Next, creditors are given effect in statement showing changes in working capital. Then after, provision for taxation, so we have write down opening and closing balance of the account, and then after closing the account we will have some effects on debit side of profit and loss account. So we are closing down the provision for taxation account. Okay, 1,40,000
320
plus 1,80,000 means 3,20,000 rupees.
2 lakh.
There will be a difference of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, when there is difference at credit side of provision for taxation account, then there will be a provision for taxation. When there is a difference at the debit side, then we have paid the tax. Okay, so it will give an effect at P&L adjustment account. Second effect will be on debit side of profit and loss adjustment account, because we are making provision for tax. Rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Then we have completed liability side. We will considering building asset side. Okay, there is decrease in building. Please check that there is decrease. How much amount? 40,000 rupees. And other transaction is not given in additional information. So it will have only single effect, which is depreciation of building. How much amount? 40,000 rupees, and it will affect debit side of profit and loss adjustment account to depreciation on building. How much amount? 40,000. No other transaction is given. Okay. Then after, machinery 5 lakh rupees and 7,20,000. We have already prepared ledger of machinery account, so we will close it. Okay. First of all, we will make total of credit side 50,000, 75,000, 25,000 and 7,20,000. 8,70,000. 8,70,000 minus 5 lakh means 3,70,000. When there is difference at debit side of machinery account, it shows that there is purchase of machinery. So entry will be machinery account debit to cash or bank account. Cash or bank account. Okay, and second effect will be given on application of fund side. Okay, purchase of machinery 3,70,000. Okay, then account of machinery will be closed. Then after investment, please check that in 2016 balance of investment is rupees 3 lakh and in 2017 it is 4,50,000, means there is purchase of investment. How much amount? 1,50,000, and journal entry will be investment account debit 1,50,000 to cash or bank account. Okay, so there will be an effect on application of fund side. Here purchase of investment, how much amount? 1,50,000. Okay, then after stock, debtors, cash at bank and prepaid expenses, everything is considered under current assets in statement showing changes in working capital. Okay, so there are no adjustments are pending. Okay, so then after we will close P&L adjustment account and we will make total of fund flow statement.